Hello students, welcome to my social studies class. This is Sanchita ma'am here to take your social studies class. Today I have decided to take something different for your social studies class. I have made one revision lesson of chapter 1 and 2, that is chapter 1 that is understanding history and chapter 2 is the clues to the past. These two lessons will be revised on today's video. As your chapter 5 is going on, we will finish it after some days, but before that I try to give some revision lessons because your unit test exams are just knocking at the door. That's why I have decided to do so. Okay students, so come to the video. Today I have made some fill in the blanks from chapter 1 and 2. The answers I have already given here, so you will prepare the lessons accordingly. See, the answers are already given in green color. Is it clear to you? Under there will be, you can see a dash, then the questions will come like that. First one is number 1. We divide the time since the invention of writing into dash main periods. In the dash it will be 3 main periods. So we divide the time since the invention of writing into 3 main periods. Next, number 2. The modern period in history started when people began to use more dash in their daily lives. It can be seen that the answer is given in green color. The modern period in history started when people began to use more machines in their daily lives. Number 3. The time after the invention of dash is known as history. The time after the invention of, it will be writing, is known as history. So the sentence will be the time after the invention of writing is known as history. Go to the next page. Number 4. During the prehistoric period, writing had not been invented. The answer is given. During the dash period, writing had not been invented. On the dash or blank, it will be prehistoric period. So the sentence will be during the prehistoric period, writing had not been invented. Next is number 5. The coming of the dash marked the beginning of modern history in India. I think it is known to you, the coming of the British marked the beginning of modern history in India. Next one is number 6. In India, the time between the invention of writing and the end of the dash rule belongs to the ancient period. It will be end of the Gupta rule. So the sentence will be, in India, the time between the invention of writing and the end of the Gupta rule belongs to the ancient period. Next, number 7. Dash are written records found on rocks, cave walls and coins. It will be inscriptions. Inscriptions are written records found on rocks, cave walls and coins. Go to the next page. Number 8. The act of digging out the remains of the past is called dash. The act of digging out the remains of the past is called excavation. Excavation. The act of digging out the remains of the past is called excavation. Next one is number 9. Long ago, people used dash for sending messages. The answer will be long ago, people used pigeons for sending messages. Pigeons, pigeons for sending messages. Last one is number 10. Dash are buildings of historical importance. It will be monuments. Monuments are buildings of historical importance. So students, from 1 to 10, these 10 fill in the blanks. Please prepare. You can write in your classwork copy as the heading revision work and learn these fill in the blanks by your heart. Next day, I will give some short question answers for your preparation. So this much is today's task. Thank you. Have a nice day.